M1 Finance is known for pies. No, not those kind of pies. These kind of pies. M1 visualizes your investments like a pie, allowing you to create a personalized portfolio. You can choose from pre-built portfolios called expert pies, or craft your own. With M1, you can create slices, and those slices can be individual stocks or they can contain multiple stocks. You can then add that slice or slices to your pie. This can be ideal for those seeking to automate their investing strategy. Here's an example using the index funds VTI and VXUS. You can make a pie that is 80% VTI and 20% VXUS. When you deposit money into this pie, the funds will be split 80-20. Let's say VTI goes up in price and now makes up 82% of your portfolio. Whenever you deposit money, that money will go into VXUS instead until VXUS hits 20% or close to 20%. Pies that you make can be added in as a slice to other pies. For example, I could make a tech pie consisting of Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft, and add it in as a slice to a new pie. And I could also add in my VTI and VXUS pie in as a slice as well. If I wanted to add in additional slices, I could. This also gives you a pretty unique opportunity to where you could actually have it on where if you wanted to, you can make half of your portfolio just tech, and then the other half can be diversified into something else. And with M1 Finance, you can also auto reinvest. This includes dividends being auto-reinvested, and also having your recurring purchases into pies. M1 also has a dynamic rebalancing feature, which keeps your portfolio aligned with your goals. Cash inflows go to underweight assets, while outflows come from overweighted ones. Note that you have to manually trigger a rebalance. With M1, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You can also open up retirement accounts like a traditional or a Roth IRA, though there are no mutual funds available through M1 Finance. Also, there is no options trading. There's also no way to set a buy or sell limit for a stock. The main thing M1 has going for it is setting up a pie and just automatically investing into it. You could easily set up a 3-fund portfolio, Warren Buffett's 90-10 investing strategy, and just simply set it and forget it. Although M1 does have an account minimum of $100 for their investment account, or $500 for their retirement accounts, which this is a bit of a con because there are many brokerages that have no account minimums. When it comes to fees, M1 Finance has no annual fee, but there is an outgoing transfer fee of $100, so if you wanted to leave M1 Finance, you're going to have a $100 fee. The most negative fee would be if your balance drops below $50, and there's no trading or deposit activity over 90 days. Then there will be a $50 maintenance fee, which can easily be avoided by just keeping your balance above $50. You can create cryptocurrency pies, but there are only 3 cryptocurrencies to choose from with M1: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. There's also 1% fee for all crypto transactions. Also, you cannot withdraw cryptocurrencies from M1 Finance. This is not the brokerage for someone who is looking to buy cryptocurrencies, which M1 does have a welcome bonus. When you sign up using someone's referral link and invest at least $5,000 within 30 days, you'll get $100 as a welcome bonus. I do wish the deposit amount was lower. Still, for anyone who is interested, my referral link will be down below. M1 Finance does have a high-yield savings account and also a credit card. The savings account pays 5% APY and is FDIC insured up to $5 million. But there's a catch. You have to wait for the savings account because it's still rolling out. And the 5% APY is currently only available for M1 Plus customers. M1 Plus is something that you have to pay for. As for their credit card, you get 1.5% cash back on every purchase that you make, with up to 10% cash back at select merchants. The biggest pro of the credit card is that you can automatically invest cash back into your portfolio. The biggest con is that in order to get the higher cashback bonuses, you have to be an M1 Plus member. So let's talk about M1 Plus. M1 Plus costs $10 per month or $95 per year. Plus gives you access to lower interest rate loans, higher cashback options at select merchants when using their credit card, and also 5% APY in M1's high yield savings account. Personally, I'm not a big fan of brokerages adding in subscription fees for additional features, although this feature may be worth it for some if you really take advantage of it, especially when it comes to saving interest on loans. But for most people, it's probably not going to be worth it. In conclusion, M1 Finance can be particularly appealing to people who like the idea of long-term investing using pies, which is actually a feature that I do like myself. M1 Finance is definitely not for someone who is looking for short-term trading. The biggest potential benefit of M1 Finance, in my opinion, is that it can actually teach you to buy and hold for the long term, since it's not as easy to just simply sell stocks like it would be in a brokerage like Robinhood. Other than that, M1 is a pretty average brokerage account, possibly above average for someone who loves the idea of investing in pies. They offer crypto investing, but it's not appealing. They have a high-yield savings account that pays 5% APY, but you have to wait for it. And you also have to be an M1 Plus member. When M1 Finance first came out, it was more appealing, since there weren't many brokerages back then who allowed you to buy fractional shares of stocks. I'd love to hear your opinions of M1 Finance in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.